So at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can design this type of professional business card with your Android phone. So without much ado, let's get started. So the very first thing you have to do is to delete this text that is on the Pixellab screen. So how do you delete it? That's already been highlighted automatically. So just click on this delete button, and then it says confirmation, delete the selected object, and then it has been deleted. So now we are going to change the size of the image size. So click on the three red button, and then you click on image size, and then change the width and the height to 3600 to 2000 respectively. So and then you click on OK. So now we're going to change the background to pure black. So how are you going to do that? The first click on the fourth icon that is below your Android phone, and then you click on color, and then click on color. Make sure you click on color, not on gradient, and then you make sure you click on the real black color. So once you do that, you click on OK, and then you make sure you save your work so that you will not lose the work you are doing. So I'll be saving this as business card, and then I click on OK. I have another name. I have a name that I've saved as that name before, so just name it. You can say business card when. So now it has been saved. So we are going to now input our text, but before we input the text, we just want to let's do a little bit of designing. So we are going to import shape. Click on the third icon, and then you click on shape, and then a shape will be generated automatically. So just increase it, and then click on, then swipe up, and then you click on gradient, and then you click on the third gradient. So click on it, and then let's play with a little stroke here. Okay, let's play with opacity. Let's leave it as it is. Okay, let's make it 100%, and then you click on OK. Now swipe to the right, and then you click on rotate. So change the rotation to 12. So once you change the rotation to 12, you can easily drag this to this side. So this is what we actually want to design. So once you are done, then we need to start inputting our text and as well the logo. So let's put in, this is the front design that we are designing. So firstly, let's type our text. So click on A, and then you click on text. So you click on edit, and then we are going to be using bold. So this is the name of the company I'm actually designing this business card for. So drag the bold by using your relative position to shortcut move it, and then use a okay. Before we even use position, we have to change the font we are using. So let's change the font to something like Bogola regular. So we are using that Bogola regular. So we are going to increase the size of the image of the text rather. So we are increasing it to 60 is okay. So now let's click on OK, and then you click on position. So we are going to position it, and then anytime you are designing, you must take note of that. I must take note that you are going to input your logo. So once you are okay with that, then click on copy again, and then you click on edit, So the name of the company is Bold Concept. Bold Concepts. So click on OK, and then you bring it down here, but we are going to change the font of that concept. So come to font, and then we are going to change it to something like Blogger Sans. So click on OK. We are using Blogger Sans. Wow, it's kind of awkward, so let's change it to Arm Wrestler. So then we're going to decrease the size. So click on size, and then we're going to decrease it, change it to something like size. So we're going to change it to something like 30. Yeah, 30 is okay. So come to position again, and then we try to fix it together. So let's do something that is something we call at least to touch part of this Pixellab. Now click on padding. You see, look at left padding. See, look at right padding. Now we're not using padding. We actually want to use spacing. Now let's click on spacing, and you see what you have here. See. So we are using nice spacing. So let's go back to position again, and then let's fix this. So here it is. So now I'm going to introduce a logo. So now I've already sent the logo to you, but before we introduce the logo, we're going to draw another shape by clicking out, and then click on shape. So we're going to change the shape by clicking this drop down arrow to circle. So I think we are okay with this. So click on OK. Now we're going to input our image into the logo. So make sure that the logo is being selected, and then you swipe to the right to texture. So click on texture, and then you look for the image, the logo that you want to use. So now I've already sent it. Go to your WhatsApp. See, so here is the logo I'm using. So I click on OK. So I fix this like this, so not to be too big, and then I click on OK. So here it is, and then I need to maintain the ratio, but the ratio is not giving me what I really need. Now let's work on the scale. So here it is. So I think for me, I'm okay with this. So if you're not okay, you can actually try to troubleshoot more. So I click on OK, and then I click out. So here it is. Here is a beautiful first design, and this is the front page of the business card. So I need to, if you want to save, click at the three dotted line, and then you click on export image, and then you change the dimension to ultra, and then you click on save. And you make sure that you do not on your data when you are using this software, because there are some annoying ads that will be disturbing. So once you design this, then we need to design the back of the business card. So How do you design the back of the business card? You click. Actually, we are done with the front design and then we have already saved, so you can actually create a new page. So I'm going to exist again, and then I'm going to open the Pixellab, and then I will delete this text as we normally do. So and then I'll change the image size again to 3600 to 2000. Then I click on OK, and then I click on the fourth one to click on color, and then I change this to the background to black. So now I need to draw the shape by clicking this, and then click on shape. So I need to increase, and then I click on gradient, and then I click on the third one. So I swipe to rotate, and then I do some little, I click on the plus, and then I do some little rotating. I click on OK, and then I drag it here. So depending on the text that you want. So once you are okay, then we need to start the typing. So come to A, click on text, and then you click on edit. So once you click on edit, you type the name of the company, bold. So and then you must note the font we use at the first one. So you come to font, and then if I could remember very well, I'm trying to remember, oh yeah, we use Bogolo regular, and then you click on OK. So you use your position to bring it down, and then increase the size to 40. So copy the text again, click on edit, and then you click on, you type concept in capital letter. So after clicking on concept, to break it down, and then you change the font, to arm wrestler, and then you click on OK. So you can actually change the size, and then click on position. So you fix this up. So once you are satisfied, then you need to input your contact address and everything. So click on copy, click on edit, and then you start typing. So your phone number, if you have to, so press enter, you write your Gmail, and then if you have a website, you can fix your website in there. So once you are done, you click on OK, and then go to size, and you decrease the size, and then you move it down here. You can fix it here depending on your taste. You can fix it here, but to make it beautiful, you can actually fix it here. So you click on OK, and then here is a beautiful. Once you are satisfied with it, then click on three dotted line, and then you export your image. So this is how to design a professional business card using your phone. Check on Google, look at a concept you want to design, and then you work on it. So